Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For now, we're gonna start this breakfast tortilla half recipe. So let's get started. I am going to be using the Ezekiel sprouted tortillas, but you could use any tortillas that you have at home. It works great if you also use the flour tortillas. Ingredients that I'm going to be using for the first tortilla breakfast are going to be the turkey breast, the mushrooms, 1 egg, and some cheese. First of all, I'm going to put the egg in the pan. Then I am going to add some salt. Then I am going to break the yolk. I'm going to add my ham. Now it's time to turn the egg over. Then I am going to turn the ham over. Now I am going to remove the egg and then the ham. First step is putting your tortilla into the plate. Now I am going to be cutting the tortilla in the middle. Just remember, if you don't have scissors, you can always use your knife. I am going to add the cheese first. Now I am going to be adding the mushroom. Make sure when you cut the mushroom, you cut them very thin so the tortilla is able to close. Then I'm going to add the egg already. And last, I'm going to add the ham. Now it's time to close the tortilla. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3. For the second tortilla wrap, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to cut in the middle. Then I'm going to add the cheese. Then the egg. Avocado with everything bagel seasoning. And some cherry tomatoes. And last, I'm adding the ham. Now it's time to close. So this is 1. Then 2, and then 3. Now they're gonna be ready to put into the pan. Now it's time to put the tortilla wrap into the pan. The other tortilla breakfast wrap, I'm going to put it in a grill so you could see 2 ways of how to do it, in a pan or if you have a grill. Before I turn over the tortilla, I'm going to show you that I put the cheese on the bottom first so it could melt. Then I'm going to be turning it over. And our first tortilla wrap is ready. I'm gonna remove it from the pan and then I'm going to do the other one in the grill. And my next wrap, I'm going to put it in the grill. Here we go. Just wanted to show you that in the small grill, the process of making the tortilla wrap was much faster. Now it's time to remove it. And let's put it in a plate. Just wanted to remind you, if this is too much tortilla for you, you could always cut the tortilla wrap in half. I am going to link the breakfast idea playlist if you want to check those recipes. But for now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!